Good day, Philippines! I'm Sharon Baclas.
And I'm Alexandra Cabilin.
And this is MIL News.
Today is August 28, 2024, and we bring you the hottest and latest news from our country.
2 illegal drug dealers got arrested at Lit Manila Bonifacio Global City. Let's hear the full story from Amara Po.
Operatives of the Philippine National Police Drug Enforcement Group and other law enforcement agents arrested 2 suspected illegal drug dealers.
I don't drugs, organic.
The 2 of them are foreigners and seized some 5.69 million pesos worth of assorted illegal drugs in an operation in Taguig City on Wednesday. PDEG Chief Brigadier General Eleazar Mata said the operation took place around 3 p.m. at LIT Manila Bonifacio Global City.
The operation resulted in the successful arrest of 2 foreign nationals. We will continue to spend our men to arrest those pests in our country.
The operating teams seized approximately 1 kilogram of suspected shabu, 50 grams of cocaine, 77 grams of ketamine, 118 grams of high-grade marijuana, 5 pieces of liquid marijuana, 18 pieces of liquid ecstasy, 489 pieces of ecstasy worth 5,685,500 pesos, and 2 firearms with ammunition. The arrested suspects and confiscated pieces of evidence were brought to PDEG headquarters for documentation and proper disposition. This is Amara Po from MIL News.
15-year-old teenager found rotten inside a well located at an old cottage at the back of their school. Let's hear the full story from Arabel Romano.
The body of the 15-year-old victim, Valen Lanestosa, was found inside a well located at an old cottage at the back of their school.
Nakita ko po yung 3 lalaki nun. Bit-bit nila yung batang babae, tas buhay pa yung bata. Pumunta sila dun sa likod ng school. Tapos dun nila inagis yung bata sa balon. Natatandaan ko pa yung itsura ng mga suspect nun eh.
Based on the autopsy, she was raped and died due to asphyxiation after she was thrown by the suspects down the well. The suspects were her 2 teachers and her godfather.
Sana naman po, mabigyan niyo po ng hustisya yung kapatid ko. Hindi niyo po deserve yung nangyari sa kanya. Until now, the investigation is not yet solved. The 3 suspects are Morales, Texon, and Joaquin. They've been arrested and are on the custody of the police. This is Arabel Romano from Mil News.
And that's the latest and hottest news from today. I am Sharon Baclas.
And I'm Alexandra Cabilin.
Protecting the truth, not a biased news. And this is MIL News.